Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gru from Despicable Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the nose. We'll start with two curves going out and back in. And then curve it down to a point. Now to continue drawing the rest of the head, I'm going to zoom in. On top of the nose, let's add the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve going out. And the same thing on the right. And then a curve underneath to close off each eye. Next, inside the eyes, let's add a circle. And then another one in the center. And color both of these in black. And now let's add another small circle on the top left. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw another curve up from the inside. Now on top of the eyes here, let's add the eyebrows. Let's start in the center and let's draw two curves. And then a wavy line out for each eyebrow. And the same wavy curve on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve across. And then a small curve on both ends. Now that we're done the face, let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start by drawing a curve across at the top. Then let's curve it down from both sides. And then a curve at the bottom. Lastly, for the head, let's hop out and add the ears. Let's draw a curve on the top left and the top right. And then add one more curve inside. Next, we're going to move out and let's draw the scarf around the head. Let's start on top of the head and let's draw a curve down to the ear and then continue it out on the other side. And let's do the same on the right. And now let's close it off at the bottom with a large curve. And then underneath this one, let's add another curve at the bottom. Now inside the scarf here, let's add the stripes. We'll start with two lines down in the center, and then work our way out in pairs of two. And now let's do the same thing in the bottom section, but slightly staggered. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the ends of the scarf. We'll start with 2 long curves down on the left. And the same on the right side. And then close off the end of each side with a curve. Now let's hop inside and let's draw some stripes across. And that's it for the scarf. Now let's move back up and let's draw the collar of the jacket. On the top next to the scarf, let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. Now let's curve it back in. Now at the ends, let's draw a V-shaped point back in and out. Then continue it by curving it down behind the scarf on the other side. And then angle it back up at the ends. Now let's hop back up to the top corners and let's draw another small curve out for the shoulders. Now let's leave a gap and let's angle it back in. And then continue this line underneath the scarf at the bottom here for the sides of the jacket. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's add the zipper. At the top under the scarf, let's draw a diamond shape. And then let's draw 2 vertical lines down the center. And add some stripes inside. Now at the bottom here, next to the zipper, let's draw a curve across on both sides. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. From the tops of the shoulders, let's bring it down. And then angle it back in underneath. Now let's hop in and let's draw the same 2 angles for the other side of the arms. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw 2 lines down. Now let's hop out and let's draw an angled line down, curving it in. And then close off the bottom of each pant leg. Now underneath for the feet, let's draw a line down in the center. And then angle it out. And close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for Gru. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!